Hey guys, here's Ben. He's in a box. We're gonna push him down that hill. Here's me with my sexy new haircut. I'm pretty sexy.
Yeah.
Here is a. There, now it's focusing. Dead bird.
We're burying
Shovel.
it.
We're gonna bury it. Anyways, first we're gonna watch him go down the hill.
Oh, that's an acorn. I thought it was poop. Okay. Ow!
Guys,
Squash bananas.
dang, we need somewhere to lay this phone against.
Epic win.
That's the grass, by the way. If you didn't know what grass was. Here, yeah, you record. I'm gonna make a hole.
No. We should do it over here.
Oh my god, it's warm! Dude.
Wait, is it actually?
Dude, it's freaking warm. Feel it.
Oh, because it's going through the part of its it's going through its part of decaying when the body heats.
That's sad, bro.
You gotta do it right there.
Dirt on it, dude.
Right there.
Yes. Ow.
Want me to hold on to the bird? Oh, you dropped the bird.
That was actually hard to dig with.
What should we name him? We should name him something.
White boy.
No.
Rick.
Like, we need an actual name. Here. And then we need a way to bury it. We need a memorable burial. Here, I'm gonna go with the camera to find a stick. Alright guys, we have to find a stick. There might be a stick over here. There's one. I'm gonna find a small one now. I want to stay in the ground. This is probably our best bet. Let's name a branch. No. Let's name the bird Ricardo. Is that it? I thought of a name. Ricardo. Ricardo Milos. Now let's actually name him like
I think it's good.
yeah, it is good. That's actually a nice deep hole.
We need a funeral process. This is we need a good name.
Yeah, let's actually think.
Ben.
Ben?
This looks like a girl.
Yeah, maybe we should name it.
Kylie.
Yeah, Kylie the bird. No, let's think of an original name.
We're being stalked. Whatever, who cares? Anyways, this is Kylie the bird. That's a nice name.
I was thinking Scarlet.
Nah.
No, look at the top.
Still.
Looks like fire.
This looks like a Kylie. Hi, my name's Kylie. I'm a dead bird.
Yeah, let's name her Kylie.
Okay. This is the funeral processing of Kylie the bird. Kylie the bird died today on Ben's driveway. We will always remember you. Okay.
Wait, no, I need to say something. This bird, my cat Todd, Copper, and Gizmo meowed at this bird so much for eating the bird food. And they would meow at her through the window. I love this bird. My mom yelled at the bird once for eating the food out of the wrong container. But I love this bird. This bird is the first bird that I've ever held, besides big birds. I've held an eagle once at a zoo in Colorado, but I love this little bird. It looks so cute. And his claws are amazing.
Okay. Everyone on the highway is
Love
staring
you.
at us like we're
I
weirdos.
love you. Yes.
No, first we gotta.
Oh, it actually looks adorable. Look at that. I'm gonna miss it.
Okay.
I actually remember that bird coming to our house often. It came to our house this morning. No joke. No, we need that stick in there.
I know, you put in sticks after the barrel.
Put it really deep. Like, put the whole stem part deep in there.
No, we need to remember, don't put grass on it. This is how we know what's here. Where's the stick?
Deeper. Hold on to that. Whoops.
Oh, tiny pine cones.
Here.
Can you give me another pine cone? Right here.
Wait.
Let me just.
I'll put this in here and put the dirt in. There's some more dirt right here.
And the funeral of Kylie is done. Now I feel like leaving the shovel here for remembrance, but your mom would get pissed if we left the shovel here.
Okay. You can barely even see it, but I did.
And, yeah.
Was that my... Is that the garage? Oh, wait, that's not my garage from a couple years back. That's just grass.
Anyways, guys, we're done. Remember this tree.
Remember the tree. Remember that. Wait.
Don't delete the video. We need to save it.
I'm going to upload it to YouTube.
Yeah, I know.
It's the middle one.
Oh, that's perfect.
All right. See you guys later.